Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand. You can see by the brand called Toovren. This time is a different kind of design wallet case that is actually detachable, which is pretty awesome. But let's open up and show you what the product looks like first. So basically when we open the package itself, you guys can see that there's the case itself. And right next to the case itself, it is a little wallet. So if you guys want to, you guys can use this for the back side right here, or you can just use it in general for like a regular kind of like purse and whatnot. So if you guys look at the back side, it has like a very nice kind of like marble cloth, if you guys can see. If you guys look at the purse side right here, it has the part where you can actually attach it on here. So all you have to do is kind of like clip it on until you hear that little click sound like this. Once you hear both of those click, that means it's attached to the product itself. But there's one more part they actually need to put on. So if you guys look at the back side right here, you actually need to put this part inside right here. And the way how you do it is by opening this component right here and just put it in like that, and then clip this part in like that. So that's basically everything to it for this little wallet case itself. If you guys look at the bottom right here, there's a little option right here, and this is where you actually will hook onto the lanyard that they provide you inside this purse itself. So when I open this up, you guys can see that there's a chain and everything inside. So this part you actually would take it out, and then you can hook it onto your product itself if you guys want to. So all you have to do is just clip this in place like this. And then you guys can use it as a little wrist strap for your iPhone or whatever. So you have it let go like that. You guys can see that's what it looks like. So let me open this part up and show you guys how to actually use this. So there's something like this if you guys can see. So let me actually show you guys what it looks like. So basically once you guys have it all set up and everything, it'll look something like this. So you guys can have your phone hanging out like this. And if you guys want to make the strap longer, you guys can actually make it longer just like that. Basically it looks something like this. And if you guys want to, you guys can actually put it around your head like this. So that's another kind of design if you guys want to use it as that case. So you guys have like 3 different kind of looks for this product. You guys can use like this, or you guys put it around your shoulder like how I showed you guys, or you guys can use the little wrist option. So if you guys look at the case, it's definitely an upgrade compared to the older ones that doesn't have like the same kind of microfiber cloth on the back of the case. But let me actually put on my phone itself and show you guys what it actually looks like first. And then once it's all in, this is basically what it looks like if you guys can see. So that's the front side. Let me show you the back side now. This is what it looks like on the back side. But one thing that I definitely noticed about the detachable wallet option is not as good as you guys would think it is. So let's say if like I just use like a little bit of force to kind of pull it out, you guys can just pull it out like that. So let's just say someone wanted to snatch your wallet like that, then it's really easy for them to snatch it and just take it away. They most likely won't be able to take your phone, so you guys would definitely still have your phone. But in terms of the detachable wallet, I wouldn't say it's the best kind of design or best kind of product out there, because it's so easy to kind of just remove it. Someone could just simply steal it. So the fact that they give you this option is pretty cool. So if you guys want to carry this around with you guys can actually just put it in your pocket or something as a little wallet, and just have this option right here. And if you guys want to put your card in here, you guys can as well. So overall, a cool kind of concept and design. You guys don't have to use the detachable option if you guys don't want to. For me, honestly, I don't think I'll use that detachable option on there just because of the safety reasons and whatnot, like how I mentioned. And for this kind of case, you guys want to know whether or not the wireless charging option still works on it. So let's give it a try and then come back and talk more about the product. Alright, so here we have the case itself. We're going to test it out to see when actually wirelessly charge your device or not. Alright, so you can see that does work. So I guess it depends on your wireless charger you guys have, but this one works. But if I use it on a different one, so let me show you guys what I mean. So like when we put it on this one right here, it does not work, if you guys can see. It doesn't matter which angle I put it on, but it does not charge the device itself. So I guess it's bulky in a way where it only works in certain wireless chargers, not all of them. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw to test the product, you guys can see that I actually still charge the product wirelessly if you guys want to. But I feel like if you guys put some more credit cards or like something else, like a whole stack of stuff like credit cards or money in the back, then they won't be able to charge it wirelessly. But if you guys just use it just like this with nothing in the back, you guys saw in the video that actually does work. So now that we did the unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that it's worth it for everything that comes in the package and how it's designed and everything. The only thing that I don't think is actually that worth it is the detachable option right here, which I honestly don't think I'll be using at all because I don't feel safe using the option. But definitely a really cool option where it provides you a little purse or wallet so you guys can actually carry coins in here or whatever you guys want to use for this. You guys can put your money in here, you guys can put your credit cards in here, whatever the case may be. That's up to you guys. So for me, honestly, I have to say that it's actually worth it if you guys need one of these, especially if you guys want like a premium kind of quality material overall, because this uses real leather and everything. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a little unboxing, testing, and feedback on this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and just want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that'll be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have